charging. Yay. The watch is charging.
What are you gonna do? You take a shower or something?
No, I took a shower this morning. I'm gonna take these high socks off and put. There's a place.
No, we've got to go inside. Right out here. Jeez. So up on the mezzanine of Planet Hollywood, just kind of looking down. A lot of people that come here always take a video or a picture from up here. So, not to be outdone, I decided to do the same thing. So, you see the casino floor pretty well from up here. But also up here on the mezzanine, you have Chris Angel. I'm not a big fan of Chris Angel necessarily, but you see he's got his own show here, Mind Freak or something like that. Guess it's pretty good. He's been around a long time, so he's doing something right. No, he's got his own theater up here. And all his memorabilia, his cars and whatnot. Of course, it's closed now. You can't get in there. That's why the gate's in the way, but you get the idea. In case you want to buy a Mind Freak t-shirt, got those for sale, of course. And here's his store. All sorts of memorabilia of his shows and normal stuff. Also up here is the strip house. A little check out their menu. A tad pricey for some things, but I'm sure it's really good. And then up here, in addition to the strip house, you have this koi restaurant. We're gonna see, and these open later in the day. So starters are okay, shared plates. Kind of hard to see that, but they're $20–$25 for a shared plate, depending upon what you're looking for, like pot stickers, things of that nature, shrimp tempura. Entrees are going to run you anywhere from $25 to $50, depending upon what you get. But I've heard good things about this place too from other YouTubers. Looks nice inside. Okay. And also up here on the mezzanine level, there's FedEx office, which I just printed out a boarding pass there. Nice lady helped me out. And there's a wedding chapel up here. And also there is a conference center, which is probably what the vast majority of this is used for, the space. It's a pretty big space. And I think the spa is also here too. It's called Reflection Spa. There's a sign for it right there. Let me grab that. Okay. There we go. Reflection Spa and Fitness Center. There you go. Okay. Okay, so at Planet Hollywood, the mezzanine level, that's what you're going to find up here. Okay. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk again really, really soon.